How to pay stamp duty after you might have successfully paid for your CAC registration to remitter. So let's just click on pay stamp duty. Give it time to load up. It will take you to remitter for you to pay for remitter. So you can see how much you are paying. Click on submit so that it will load up and generate your account number for you, which you will be using to send the money for your stamp duty. It will load up and take you down to this payment gateway where you are going to be choosing which of these payment gateway do you want to make use of. Is it the card or the bank transfer, or you want to use the USSD, or you want to use in-era, or you want to use the wallet, or any other option that is there that you want to use? So any of the option you intend to use, when you click on it, it's going to display for you. Then you are going to follow that whatsoever is being displayed and continue. So in my own case, I prefer using bank transfer. So once you click on bank transfer, it's going to display the account name, the account number, the bank name, and the total amount of what is expected of you to send into that particular account number that has been generated for you. And for those who might be doing this for their first time, if an account number is being generated for you, it is that account number that you should use before the time elapses. If you look at the upper part of my dashboard here, there is a countdown that is counting. So once the countdown ends, it means that account number that I generated at that particular time has expired. That is what that word simply means. For those people that are making the mistake of, oh, I saved the account number, the next day I sent money into it, so I can't, there is no way you can rectify that. In as much as your time has elapsed, then it means your money is gone. Yes, that is what it means. So make sure you send the money, or you initiate that particular service when you are ready to make the payment, for you to be on a safer side and for you to save your money. I hope we get that. So what you need to do is to copy the account number given to you and go to your bank app for you to send the actual amount seen on that dashboard to the account number which you have copied. So go right now to send the money together. Let's go to our bank app, pick the bank name and input the amount that is expected of you to pay. Make sure you are inputting the actual amount, the exact amount that was displayed on the portal, and proceed to make payments. So give it time to process. It has gone. The next thing is for you to go back to your portal and click on I have sent the money. Then it will synchronize and load up for you, and boom, you'll be seeing payment verified successfully. So this means you have successfully paid for this particular company registration that you are registering. I hope you get that. So you can see registration submitted. You will be notified once your application has been reviewed. Thank you. So this simply means you have successfully registered the company, and you are going to get a notification of approval very soon. If this video has been helpful, if you find value in this, don't forget to like, share to family and friends, or those who might also need it. And if you have any other question, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. I will be providing an answer to your question. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.